Ahoy there, mateys! It's Pirate Week at the Danville Public Library. And when you get your craft kit this week, there's a paper in here. You can talk like a pirate. You can find your pirate name. And I'm Captain Connie. And here we go. You're going to make a pirate ship. Guess what? All you need is a hamburger. I'm sorry, not a hamburger bun. That's a hot dog bun. What's wrong with me? You need a hot dog bun. You need a hot dog. Oop, I've got a little bitty black straw here. And I got a piece of plain white paper. And guess what this is? Well, it's a ship's flag. And it says, ahoy matey. So this is all you do. You just get yourself a nice hot dog bun and you open it up. Does that look like a pirate ship? Well, I don't think so. Well, let's fix it up. Get your hot dog in there, like that. Oh, that looks good. All right. Now, I copied this off of a picture on the internet, but you could color one of your own or copy one, and I just taped it to a little black straw that looks just like this. This is just what it looked like that. And I made my own flag. Then I took a plain piece of white paper, and I made a little hole at the top and a little hole at the bottom, and we're going to slip this in there that way, and then it's going to come out. Oh, there it is, that way. Now, well, are we looking more like a pirate ship? Guess what? You're going to have a pirate ship for lunch. And there you go. You can make your own little pirate ship just out of things that you have at home. Enjoy your lunch, matey.